Okay, let's get the tools installed. So pretty simple stuff. We'll start by going to, just search for npm downloads so we can get npm itself. And node. So this installs two things, npm and node. The LTS release is probably the best, and whatever makes sense for you, Windows or Macintosh. Now I've already got this on my system, and I'm currently running npm version 3.10.10 and node 6.10.3. But you know what, the latest will work just fine, I'm sure. Next, we want to install Ionic itself, and for that, since I'm on a Mac or a Linux system, you would do sudo and then you would go npm install -g for global Ionic. That's the main tool, but we also need the Cordova. Yes, Cordova. There we go. I always say Doba. I'm not sure why. There's my password. And we'll install those tools. Now, this will take a few minutes to do. We don't really need to hang around for this. I've already installed this on my system, but it doesn't hurt to install it again. So we'll just let that install. Now, in addition to this, you'll need to install, or at least it's highly recommended that you install Xcode. So that's that tool down here called Xcode. Xcode is, of course, the development environment for all of your Mac stuff. And for Android, you'll want to install Android Studio, which is over here. And that's obviously the Android Studio tools. And now the primary thing that you get at both of these is an environment for compiling native code. In addition to that, emulators for both your iOS and your Android devices. Of course, you can actually download directly to your device, or you can run things in your emulator, or you can run them in the web browser itself. You got a lot of options. Hey, and it looks like we're done. So now we're ready to move on to the next step. Thank you.